Hello, Benchmark. This is David. So I get this question a lot, and so today I'm going to be going over the top 3 questions we get for Field Genius and how you can avoid running into these problems when you're out in the field.
Man, I thought I was supposed to be in the forest.
What JD's done here is he's made our first mistake. He's got the wrong coordinate system selected. If he's got the wrong horizontal system, which he probably does here, he's going to be miles away from his actual location. And if he has the wrong vertical system selected, then he's going to be at least 20 meters out from his elevation. I'm going to put a link in the description on how to select the right coordinate systems.
Hey buddy, can I borrow a phone? All right, I'm on point 49. No, I'm on point 49. No, you're not. You're like 5 meters out. No, I'm not. It says on my point right here. 2 mils out. You're out of order. No, you're out of order.
So what JD's done is he's made our second mistake of the day, and he didn't do a localization, which means where the point actually is and where he's standing could be wildly different. I put a link in the description below on how to do a localization in Field Genius and Field Genius Android.
Man, this is the 4th time I've done this shot, and it's been different every time.
So JD's made our last mistake of the day, and he's taken a shot without having a fix. If he takes a shot and he's got an autonomous solution, he's gonna have about a meter of error. If he takes a shot and he's got a DGPS solution or a WAS solution, he's gonna be looking at about a foot or 30 centimeters. If he takes a shot and he has a float solution, he's maybe looking at 10 centimeters at best. And if he takes a shot with a fixed solution, he's looking at less than a centimeter.
Man, I hope I don't get fired today.
Field Genius, how you can avoid running into these problems when you're out.
Did he just hang up on me? Well, it's a good thing I have the Benchmark YouTube channel and the Benchmark website to get all of my surveying questions answered. So if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, or maybe in the surveying space in general, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.